Glad to see you made it. In a few minutes, you'll be granted with lifetime access to WeatherBot, a piece of technology recently discovered by thousands that combines fun and excitement with a perfect way to fatten your wallets with an additional four-figure weekly income, consistently. By now, you've learned that predicting the weather has never been easier. Until now, it's never been profitable for everyday people. People like you and me, and others around the globe. Until now. WeatherBot will help you turn a hefty profit from the weather in no time. Now, here are a couple of important facts. First, before you take action, you should know that WeatherBot is not a system based on chance, like a roulette wheel, and definitely not something you need a fancy degree in order to activate. In fact, just like the others, you can start profiting immediately while WeatherBot will do everything needed in order to assure your success. Secondly, WeatherBot is safe. Unlike trading softwares that make you open an account with hundreds of dollars. None of that here. We are the real deal.
I absolutely love the WeatherBot. At first I thought it was magic. Silly, I know. But then I realized that it was based on logic. So it's a fun game, and more than that, it really makes you money. I love, love, love it. Keep up the good job, guys.
I cannot get my fingers off it. Now, I actually review internet games, trading software, and websites on my blog, but I've never seen anything like this before. It's just unbelievable. While using it, I've actually made over 740 bucks just this week.
WeatherBot was designed for newbies like you who have yet to experience wealth simply by stating the obvious. Will it be colder tonight? Yes, you said? Good. 70% profit is on the way. Possibilities like that are endless, and WeatherBot is in charge of giving you accurate results before they happen, so you can monetize from the weather in real time during the day, at midnight, while on vacation, during the weekend, anytime you want. WeatherBot works non-stop. So let's not waste another moment and get you started. As I previously mentioned, this is not like trading software where you need to deposit hundreds of dollars to qualify. WeatherBot is for everyone, and as such, you don't need even $100 to jump in on the fun. That's right. Now, listen to this. You need only $25 to open an account at the Weather Marketplace, which is less than what you spend on a pizza. As a matter of fact, should you fund $50 or $75, your profitability also increases because you can earn more money per day. However, you don't need to do that if you don't have $50. Because, as explained before, the minimum starting amount can be as low as only $25, while your expected returns will probably be a few $100 daily. Your money is worth double at WeatherBot. We are so eager to ensure that you enjoy this unique experience while you profit every single day. That being said, we've arranged a hot bonus for the first 50 decision takers watching this video. You'll get 100% bonus credit in your account at the Weather Marketplace. What does that mean? Simple. It means that if you fund $25, you'll automatically see $50 in your account. Or in case you decide to add $75, you'll have $150 waiting for you. This is our way to make sure you can leverage your actions, to give you more certainty, more possibilities to profit faster. And because we believe in the power of WeatherBot after taking it to the limit, and it has passed all tests. You see, just combine a bit of funding with a clean-cut, logical money-making method at once and make 4 figures a month with no effort at all, and with a brand new and proven technology applied to the beauty of our planet's natural resources. Please complete your information. It takes no time at all. Once you register, you'll be redirected to the Weather Marketplace so you can fund and open your account with as little as $25 or more to start profiting as of today. In terms of funding, a minimum of $25 is all that's needed on your behalf. Everything else you'll get from us. And just to clarify, this small amount is not to buy WeatherBot. This will remain your money and will be added as investment funds into the Weather Marketplace, but it's not any entry fee or payment whatsoever. WeatherBot is totally free of charge, including all the benefits we've just mentioned a minute ago. This tiny investment will let you use together with our WeatherBot technology to discover a fun and logical way to make a few $100 daily into the Weather Marketplace. No huge deposits needed here, like the usual minimum deposit of $250 or $500 normally requested from binary options and Forex offers. I guess this is why WeatherBot is turning viral and making real money for real people. People from all over the planet are joining and taking advantage as we speak. And you'll get free access to our advanced prediction alerts software, VIP customer support, 100% computer, mobile, and tablet capable software, accessible anywhere, 24/7. And you will too as of today. Get on the right track to making over $307 a day with our groundbreaking WeatherBot, a unique profit method like no other that allows you to enjoy the money-making process in a logical and secure way, unlike understandable, uncontrollable methods like Forex, binary options, online casino, and the list goes on. WeatherBot is not only different because it's connected to a concept we all know and understand well, but also because anyone can join just with an amount equal to their weekly pizza, a couple of beers, a burger meal, or movie and popcorn allowance. So register below and get our system 100% free. I predict you'll be making a tsunami amount of profits in the blink of an eye.